What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So a quick look at Vechain today, and we can still see here that we've had that really nice pickup off the low, haven't we? That we've been talking about, for a long time now. This swing low down here where we drawed our fib in from the high to the low here. You can see we come all the way down, we do this. We start to get that pick back up, didn't we, with the higher highs and higher lows, but then we did roll over in the market very significantly from around that 10th of November all-time high for Bitcoin. Ever since then, Vechain here has been highly correlated to Bitcoin, just heading down and down and down. You can see we come down here into a little bit of a range. You think probably bottoming out here, but we get that extended move to the downside. Absolute full capitulation mode in the market. Huge rollover for Bitcoin. And you can see here the whole time, as we said before, stuck under that RSI downtrend as well. Just generally making lower lows and lower highs for Vechain. Along with Bitcoin, and you can see here just rolling and rolling and rolling continually to the downside here. And we can see now, after coming and getting that horribly overextended move to the downside in this area here, where basically, we came down, you can see crazy overextension here, pretty much bullish divergences, to be honest. Got ridiculously oversold for no apparent reason really in the market. You can see it here, heading down towards, March 2020 Black Swan event crash levels of oversold. And now, getting a bit of that pickup off the low. You can see that kind of scoop that we have had in that area around 5 cents. We've got the overextension, obviously, but looking like, we've held decent support in that area. And if we take a look at the hourly time frame, you can see it very clearly here that we come down into it, didn't we? We kind of come down into it, got the overextension, and then we had a little bit of a range forming: resistance, support, 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 resistance, support, resistance, support. And then we finally get that breakout with Bitcoin finally breaking out of the downtrend it was in. You can see Vechain here runs up to 6 cents, coils up, runs up to 7 cents, but gets stuck under that previous support here. As resistance here, you can see it got front run a little bit, and we rolled over back down to this level of, structure in and around 6.4, 6.5 cents here. Just chopping it sideways, really waiting to see what's going to happen next, aren't we? But on the hourly, back down to fair value. On the RSI here as well, potentially ready for another move to the upside if we do see Bitcoin, trying to continue to the upside. So overall, Vechain looking fine. Quite literally just scooping off that low. We finally got the breakout of the downtrend on the RSI, coming back in towards that fair value on the daily time frame. So in our opinion, if things do continue fairly well for Vechain here, let me just drag these out so you can see them a bit better. If we come up to some kind of, overbought kind of area here, you could see Vechain coming back up potentially inside this range here, up towards that 10 cent level, maybe getting a bit overbought, cooling off here, breaking out of all these resistances, the 0.23 as well, and then hopefully just starting to get back up through our levels over the next 3 to 6 months really. Because if Bitcoin does start to play ball and head back into the 50, 60, maybe up towards 70k for a new all-time high, we do think that Vechain could be set to do well as well. And if that was the case, we could see it coming back towards its all-time high as well. And then beyond 6 months into 2022, if we're still heading up in the markets, we could see, potentially some of those price targets we've been talking about. So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, we'd love to direct your attention to the free Discord in the description. Nothing to say other than that it's an absolutely amazing community, getting a ton of content and value in there. So go and sign up, it's totally free. And if you do want to get an edge on the market, as always, you can sign up to our Patreon. The link is in the description as well. You can basically support the channel and get access to even more content. You've got alpha in there, got daily Bitcoin signals, loads of content being posted all the time. So if you are interested, head down there and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that being said, very simply, short-term price predictions then, taking a look at this. If we're heading down, we think that 6 cent level will be good support, even more of a rollover, the top of this range at 5.6 cents. And if we're heading up, 7 cents is the target, with the next extension at the 0.23 there at 7.7 cents back inside the range. And as we said before, if the market does play ball in 2022, we could easily see Vechain heading up. We do think into that 50 cent to $1 area if we do see Bitcoin at all-time highs. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.